The crypto space has explicitly progressed significantly from being essentially restricted to just crude digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum in an unobtrusive manner. The space especially has been sufficiently liberal to have a plenty of ventures from changed areas with and without utility in a significant manner. Progressively, image coins from the business have basically collected the interest of the majority. The really top image coin, Dogecoin especially, is the first to woof with regards to image coins. Sent off in the December 2013. The advanced token has gathered enormous prominence, with preferring from superstars, very rich person financial backers, and sort of virtual entertainment savvies, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially canine coin basically has seen various selections and acknowledgments by fundamentally prestigious brands and firms. All things considered, financial backers are still especially enthusiastic about Doge, regardless of arising opponents like Shiba Inu, and fundamentally have been contemplating over its future possibilities in every practical sense, significant way. Is it safe to say that you are excited about the Dogecoin cost forecast? Participate as we plunge into the fundamentally conceivable Doge cost projections for 2022 and the years to come. Dogecoin value expectation. Dogecoin cost really has been to a great extent negative for more often than not, starting from the start of 2022 in a significant manner. In the meantime, bullish possibilities really do arise as the costs are set to expand generally in an unobtrusive manner. Doge value expectation for November 2022. The Dogecoin cost history for the most part has been to a great extent negative since the especially token denoted its highs during the 2021 bull rally, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, while the meme coin was thought to be dead, the Doge cost in a real sense bounced back pleasantly and basically rose by over 150%. By and by, bears certainly have fixed their grasp, and consequently the cost might get compacted for the in every way that really matters. Next by and large couple of days, following which an eminent rise may especially advance out, which most certainly is very critical. During H2 November, one can expect a remarkable rise that could especially raise the cost back towards the new highs of around 15 cents incredibly. Dogecoin value expectation for December 2022. The Dogecoin cost explicitly is supposed to vacillate high as the exchange moves toward the truly yearly close and in every practical sense, huge way. The expansion and unpredictability may ultimately truly help the cost to truly take off and explicitly close the year at 25 cents. Notwithstanding, customary trading tensions would truly leave the cost at a fundamentally normal degree of 15 cents. All things considered, assuming the feelings succumb to the bears, with worries around utility and worth, the cost might actually rut to 21 cents. Dogecoin's value conjecture for 2023. Dogecoin costs really are supposed to get forward momentum in 2023 amazingly, as the image space would turn into dealers number one to battle extremely potential expansion dangers. The chance is additionally legitimate, as the kind of normal time a buy and large token generally is held, generally as a shocking 1.8 years, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Consequently, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin would hit 35 cents. All things considered, a kind of conceivable emergency and the business could dump the cost to 29 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Progressively, the normal Dogecoin cost could settle at 35 cents. Doge value gauge for 2024 in an unpretentious manner. If the group behind rollouts out formative redesigns and genuine use cases in a significant manner, the canine coin could charge facing industry pioneers in an unpretentious manner. In such a case, Dogecoin cost could jump to its likely high of 61 cents in a sort of significant manner. On the other side, the ebbing position of image coins and lessening volumes could especially cut the value down to 45 cents, which is genuinely huge. All things considered, a harmony among trading tensions could land the Dogecoin cost at 55 cents. Dogecoin value expectation for 2025 in an exceptionally large manner. A rising FOMO with powerhouse advancements towards Dogecoin cost might warm up to 85 cents. Besides, in the event that it could make do with a significant development rate, in an exceptionally serious space from here on out, the truly normal will strike at 75 cents incredibly. Then again, if parts of the crypto like zero marking rewards and not essentially much usefulness influence the market, then the cost could slide to its likely low at around 89 cents in every practical sense, significant way. Crypto vault expectation, which is genuinely critical. The way that advertisers for the most part are very hopeful about the venture and VIP's jumping legs, can drive Dogecoin cost into a worth that everybody would stunningness at, or so they thought. As per Coinpedia's planned Dogecoin cost projections for 2022, or so they thought, in the event that its exchanging volume rises further, we can anticipate that the Doge cost should flood to 21 cents as the year closes, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Then again, in the event that the market is basically struck again by outer powers like guidelines or negative explanations by powerhouses amazingly, the image coin could exchange at a possible low of 18 cents, which is very critical. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the Dogecoin cost at 24 cents in an essentially huge manner. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is an easy-to-use cryptographic money project sent off on December 6, 2013. It was essentially forked from Litecoin and is broadly upheld by really numerous wallets and trades, which is very huge. The essentially fundamental use case fundamentally is for making installments, and as of late it has likewise been utilized as a tipping coin, which generally is very critical for really compensating little tokens to individuals during essentially online entertainment collaborations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoins are inflationary coins, while Bitcoins for the most part are deflationary coins in a by and large enormous manner. This truly is on the grounds that Bitcoin has a breaking point on the quantity of coins that will fundamentally be delivered and utilized for mining in a significant manner. On the genuinely flip side, Dogecoin has no commonly such cutoff points and by and large is thusly inflationary, which adds for its potential benefit in a genuinely significant manner. 2013. Dogecoin made its presentation in December 2013 at $0, a market capitalization of $3.5 million. For a year, Dogecoin really was on a vertical direction and most certainly multiplied dramatically. 2014. The year 2014 was not liberal for Dogecoin, as new digital currencies, for example, Neo, Heavenly, and Monero for the most part arisen on the lookout, because of which Doge's value tumbled to $0. 2015 in a for the most part significant manner. Fellow benefactor Jackson Palmer especially quit the venture out of the blue in 2015 in a significant manner. With the news, the world started to discuss Doge's looming demise in an unpretentious manner most certainly. Be that as it may, this didn't occur, as Doge really figured out how to exchange at $0 the finish of December 2015. 2017 incredibly, Dogecoin didn't really cross the $0 minus 0.0003 cost range until 2017. The worth of the coin especially rose emphatically to $0 the spring of 2017 and further truly kept on changing. Shockingly, Doge flooded to $0 the finish of 2017. 2018. Dogecoin cost declined in the midst of the fixing of digital currencies across South truly East Asian nations. However, it recuperated rapidly to explicitly hit 1 cent. Later the value declined to $0 April. The cost somewhat truly recuperated to $0 September. Doge fundamentally dropped again to $0 in the year 2018 in a huge manner. 2019, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin projection exchanged sideways in 2019 for a large part of the year, which truly is very huge. Insignificant floods really accompanied the market value up to around $0 July, in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, later lost pretty a lot of these profits toward the second from last quarter's end. Toward the finish of December 2019, Dogecoin was exchanging at $0. 2020 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin proceeded with its exchange at $0 the beginning of January. With a kind of consistent improvement, the value figured out how to reach $0 mid of February.